Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency, dominating the crypto space with its blockchain technology and its scarcity. Bitcoin works on a peer-to-peer network, no intermediaries. The aim of Bitcoin is to exclude any intervention while transacting. It's gaining popularity and is being adopted by more and more investors and institutions. Do you want to buy a Lamborghini or a mansion? With Bitcoin, it's becoming more and more easy. So what will the price of Bitcoin be in the future? Well, let's take a look. As an example of Bitcoin's growing interest, CME Group's Bitcoin Futures product is continuing to show signs of increased popularity. In June of 2019, a new record was set for open interest amid a surge of new account signups. More than 2,960 accounts have traded CME Group's Bitcoin futures across all client types and time zones since its launch. In 2019 alone, there has been more than 950 new accounts created, marking a 30% increase in total client signups. As shown in this chart here, open interest in CME's Bitcoin futures has been steadily on the rise, up to a record-breaking 6,069 contracts toward the end of June, and demonstrating a strong demand. Open interest refers to the total number of outstanding derivative contracts that have not been settled and thus remain open. In December of 2017, there was well under 1,000 contracts open. As you can see, the growth has continued and now is above 6,000 contracts. Price-wise, Bitcoin has been showing fluctuations for much of 2019. It was trading at around $3,500 in February and moved up to around $6,100 in mid-May of this year. In late May, it began a surge to about $9,000, but then it retreated. Recently, Bitcoin has taken another surge upward. Equally important, Bitcoin hash rate also reached an all-time high of 62 quintillion per second as the price hovered around $9,000. Additionally, Bitcoin once again surpassed 1 million daily active addressees, so Bitcoin is getting back to its momentum and creating a frenzy. So let's take a look at where the insiders believe the price of Bitcoin is heading. Number one on the list is John McAfee. And John McAfee is the founder of the McAfee software and a committed Bitcoin follower, predicted that Bitcoin will hit $1 million by 2020. In a tweet, he had predicted $500,000 by the end of 2020 using a model that had predicted $5,000 at the end of 2017. However, Bitcoin has accelerated faster than his model had predicted, so he revised his estimate to $1 million by the end of 2020. Number two on the list is Sunny Singh of BitPay. And in a recent interview by Emily Chang of Bloomberg, Sunny Singh, the chief commercial officer at BitPay, made comments regarding the future of Bitcoin. The message was that there is no reason to panic while looking at the current market conditions. Singh stated that Bitcoin is an 800-pound gorilla, as it has access to the most notable network effect of all decentralized networks. He believes that there is a high probability that Bitcoin may reach $15,000 to $20,000 by Thanksgiving of 2019. He also believes that there will be the probability of a crypto ETF and an influx of funding for startups. And number three on the list are Sam Doctor and Tom Lee of Fundstrat. Tom Lee, the ex-chief equity strategist at JP Morgan and co-founder and head of research of Fundstrat, believes that the break-even cost of mining Bitcoin directly correlates with its price. He believes Bitcoin will grow as more institutional investors take on Bitcoin, along with the steady increase of a Bitcoin user base. Tom Lee said the recent fall in the price of Bitcoin was similar to the recent plunge in the price of tech stocks like Amazon, Apple, and Facebook. He is optimistic that increased institutional fortunes would help turn Bitcoin's future around very soon. Sam Doctor, an analyst from Fundstrat, along with Tom Lee, predicted that by 2019, Bitcoin may reach $36,000 with a probability of $64,000. Recently, Tom Lee stated that fair value is somewhere between $13,800 and $14,800, which he believes might increase to $150,000 per coin when Bitcoin wallets account for 7% of 4.5 billion Visa holders. Next on the list is Bobby Lee, the co-founder of BTCC, Hong Kong-based Bitcoin exchange. He's also the brother of Charlie Lee, Litecoin creator. And Bobby Lee has made an extremely bullish prediction. He began by stating that Bitcoin might reach its all-time low in January of 2019, maybe below $2,500, and then the next Bitcoin rally would start in late 2020, peaking out at about $333,000 in December of 2021, and then fall back down to $41,000 in January of 2023. He is also known for saying that Bitcoin market capital might reach $7 trillion. If so, that may surpass the market cap of gold, unless gold continues on its upward move of recent. And the last interview is with Anthony Pompliano. In a recent tweet, Anthony, who is the founder of Morgan Creek, said that Bitcoin isn't going anywhere. He stated that Bitcoin might go as low as $3,000, after which it will continue being bullish starting from 2019. He tweeted that there is no reason to freak out on the declining price as Bitcoin's fundamentals are becoming stronger, and that the best performing asset in the last 10 years isn't going anywhere. Of course, there are many more opinions, but you get the idea. It's more likely that any insider will have a bullish opinion. As for my opinion, I follow Bitcoin primarily using GBTC, which is the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust that trades on the OTC. And we've talked about GBTC in a previous video. Right now, the chart on GBTC looks bullish, and it looks very much like gold. In my opinion, 2019 will continue to be bullish for Bitcoin. Through the year, Bitcoin will have higher adaptability as more people start believing in the technology. In my opinion, Bitcoin will likely trade toward $20,000 by mid to late 2019. The more the trading, the more the price. And as we know, Bitcoins are scarce in circulation as there can only be 21 million Bitcoins mined. As of today, about 17 million has been mined, meaning only 4 million has yet to be mined. That circumstance may make it even more valuable. Additionally, several countries like the US, Japan, and South Korea have shown extreme willingness to integrate Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies into their financial system by setting up regulated markets which might function freely and securely. By the end of the year 2019, the Bitcoin price may again reach over $20,000, which means that the 2017-2018 bearish trend has ended and may likely have shifted to a bullish trend. But that's only my opinion. And what do I know? As usual, conduct your own due diligence. And for today, that's Chew Dog Charts. Thank you.